guys, I'm gonna get straight into it. So, what do credit card companies love to see? Okay, because we all know that everyone is obviously getting approved for credit cards, whether it's entry level credit cards, tier ones, tier twos, tier threes, right? Even high limit credit cards, right? What are banks looking for? I'm going to tell you guys that because I know many of you all are looking to not just get a credit card with the company that you have right now, but some of you all are looking to get credit cards with other major brands, right? Some of you all haven't had a Chase credit card yet. Some of you all haven't had a Discover card yet. I'm gonna let you know right now in this video exactly what you need to do, what basic steps you need to follow to go ahead and make these credit card companies happy. Let's go straight into it. So number one, most credit card companies want you to use their credit cards at least twice a year. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Calvin, that's like really not even using the card. The reason why I'm bringing this up is because it's easy to use that travel rewards credit card. It's easy to use that cash back credit card. It's easy to use that credit card with the high limit. But you guys know what you forget about? You all forget about the cards that got you here, right? Think about the cards that got you where you are right now in your credit card journey, right? Whether it was First Premier, Capital One, whatever. And some of you guys are probably debating if you should even close those credit cards out. But again, they just want to see. Okay. Now, that's to keep the card open. So, what credit cards love to see when you're focusing on keeping the credit card open, they just want to see that you're using it at least twice a year. Okay. Now, for most credit card companies, they want you to carry a little bit of balance, right? You don't necessarily have to carry a balance every single month. But they at least want to see that you're using it, right? So that 10%, that 30%, utilization, that's where you guys want to end up being at. All right. So Reed says, hey, listen, let's keep the chat popping, guys. So listen, Reed says, so do I recommend having multiple credit cards? Absolutely. As a matter of fact, not just because I was gonna do a video on how to get an 850 credit score, right? I'll do that later this week. All right. Either way, but you most definitely want to have multiple credit cards. So that's a very good question. You want to have at least 3 to 5 credit cards. That's really all you guys need. Okay. The reason why it's 3 to 5 credit cards is because typically you're very few people in the world has their first credit card is 25,000, right? That's usually a third or fourth credit card by that time. Okay. Literally just getting things started. And they are really trying to position themselves to be in a very good position to say, okay, this is what I need to do. This is where I need to build. Everyone has to start somewhere, right? Listen, you don't have to be great to start. See, everyone keeps thinking you got to be great to start. You don't have to be great to start, but you do have to start to become great. So you got to start with card number one. You have to start with card number two, card number three, right? Now, some of you all don't have aspirations to have all of these credit cards. I get it. Trust me, I get it. So again, a good sweet spot, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, somewhere in that range, right? And again, if you're worried about managing those types of things, put a small bill on these cards or $100 bill on these cards. Let's look at the bills you already pay. All of us have, now these are bills everybody's got. Everyone's got a cell phone bill. Most people got an electric bill, water bill, stuff like that, right? Apple Music, Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, gym membership. Y'all ain't been to the gym in a minute, but y'all got the membership on there, right? But either way, put it on the credit card, put it on auto pay, right? And so again, credit card companies, they love to see, but that you are potentially using and open to other people's credit cards, okay? So you most definitely want to do that as well too. Oh, Mike Jones in the house. Now, is this the real Mike Jones? Mike, I need to know, is this real Mike Jones? Okay. What was that? 281-334-8004. Listen. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee, for those who don't know. So we respected Mike Jones. Okay. So if that is the real Mike Jones, I appreciate you being here. But either way, let's keep going. Keep the comments coming. Keep the comments, guys. All right. So Reed World says, what is considered too many credit cards? You know what's crazy, Reed? I'm gonna be honest. Me personally, I thought like having like more than like 8 to 10 credit cards was just too much. But listen, now I'm starting to see it's not a contest or a competition, but people that know how to manage properly, like they use credit cards for certain different types of things. You're gonna see, like I'm gonna be interviewing, of course, you guys know Dante, right? So Dante's got 33 credit cards. We're gonna be doing an interview on that. I don't know, this week, next week. I'm gonna see what his schedule is. But either way, we're going to drop that soon. So you guys can see, why does he have 33 credit cards? Listen, he's always in the chat. It's a matter of time before he's in it. I'm sure he's going to be in the chat a little bit later. But here, either way, we're going to break that down because it's not just people like him. It's people that feel comfortable with having those amount of cars, and they're using different cars for different things. Okay, credit card companies love to see that you're using them. They want to see that you're using them. They don't have to make money off of everybody. Trust me, they're making enough money off of people that are using them improperly. I'm gonna say that again. They're making enough money off of people that are using them improperly already. Now, we're not talking about the people who, max out their credit cards and things like that. So we're talking about just the basics, the fees, the over the limit fees, the annual fees, the chart, like all that craziness, all that stuff that goes on, the interest and all the rest of that. Trust me, they're making enough money. Okay. So they're not trying to just nitpick on every single thing that's going on. So you got to keep those things in mind. All right. So he said Sledge is a beast with it. Man, listen, we're going to have to bring him back. Eddie, what's going on, man? Hey, Eddie says, we need that video. Oh, we got you, man. We got you. Listen, he'll be in here. He'll be bouncing around in the chat here in a little bit. All right. So Aretha, what you got? Why avoid American Express? What about business American Express? So check this out. You don't want to avoid American Express. If you guys go back, so here's the thing. I actually forgot to make a shorter version of that video because y'all are not watching. I'm telling you, you got to go back and watch that interview I just did with JP Knowledge. JP is the American Express king. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna change the title to that video. He is the American Express king. I'm telling you, he knows this card like biblically. Okay, it's crazy how he knows this card so well. But towards the end of the video, he talks about why you don't want to. Pretty much like the cons far outweigh the pros if you're looking at American Express charge cards, okay? But that's only as it pertains to charge cards, Aretha, that he was particularly talking about. But business American Express cards, absolutely, you most definitely can go ahead and do that for sure, all right? So let's go ahead and go swing it back to Mike Jones, man. All right, so most credit card companies give you a $300 limit. I'm gonna pause right there. Very good question. Very good statement, Mike. So now here's the thing. All of us start with those types of credit cards, right? All of us start with the $300 limit, the $500 limit. Some of you all didn't even qualify for an unsecured credit card on your first credit card. And that's okay, because it's all about growth. I want you guys to put that in the comments. Growth. It's all about growth. And that's what I tell a lot of my the YouTube members, right? We got to keep our goals in front of us. So you may start with that 300 limit, then you transition to the 500, the 1,000, the 10,000, the 15,000. Guys, it's coming. It's coming for you too. Listen, everybody has always thought that these high limit credit cards was something that they just couldn't get. You can get high limit credit cards too. You can. You just have to give them what they're looking for. What are they looking for? Ooh, get ready for this. Now, I'm giving you guys like the baby steps, because everyone's different. Everyone's different on this channel, right? But for the heavy hitters, the ones that's trying to like maximize every single you got to wait for that video I do with Dante. We bringing that one back. We're going to bring that back. Why he got 33 credit cards, what those 33 credit cards are, and what does he use each of them for? Like, why have these cards? Why have that many? Right? And he's the only one. There's a lot of people. There's even some of you guys are watching this now and have a lot of credit cards as well too. Right? So we're gonna get into that. But again, you got to give them what they want to see. It's just like when you guys are applying for a job, right? You tell them what they want to hear. You got to do the same thing when you have these credit cards. You got to give them what they're looking for. They're looking for usage. They're looking for usage. They're looking for balance transfers, right? Once you do that, you in. Once you do that, you are in. All right. Oh, let me go back to what Mike was saying. So yeah, most credit card companies will give you a $300 limit. However, Mike, that is based on where you are at the time that you apply. Okay, that's based on where you are at the time that you apply, not physically, obviously, but where your credit is when you apply, right? So I'll give you guys an example. When you all get approved for a $300 limit credit card, that should probably be the only $300 to $500 limit credit card that you get approved for. You know why? Because that means that you guys are applying for credit cards too fast. You're applying for them too fast early in your career, early in your credit card journey. See, when you get your first credit card, it's like $300, $500. That third credit card, now I'll let the second one slide. And the reason why I'll let that slide, because it feels good to be approved. Doesn't it feel good to be approved? Nobody wants to be denied. It feels good to be approved. So when you get a Capital One and then a First Premier, or First Premier and then a Credit One, when you get those types of credit cards, it feels good to get approved. I get it. So you stay in your lane. You like, I got this 300 here. I got this 500 here, right? But don't forget, the whole point is growth. I want you guys to put that back in the comments. It's all about growth. That means that card number 2 or 3, no later than the third credit card, should you now be seeing at least 750, and that's low. 750 to $1,000 limit. If you're not getting 750 to $1,000 limit credit cards, you guys gotta get ready for that video. Get ready for this video because we're going to show you all what these banks are looking for to give you high limits. They want, let me tell you something. You guys ready? Here, I want you guys to take notes on this. They want to give you, yes, they want to give you high limit credit cards. They do. They can't wait to do it. They're just waiting for you to use them. They're waiting for you to get your score up. They're waiting for you to stop getting so many increase. They're waiting for you to pay them on time. They're waiting for you to stop. Listen, they're waiting for you to use a credit card accurately. That's all. They're waiting on you. Listen, they are waiting on you. Okay. But you can't listen. Some of you guys are just not doing the right things. That's all. Here's the best part about all of this. You guys ready? You can change it at any time. You can change how you do things at any time. We're not 10 years old anymore. Nope. We're not 20 years old anymore. Some of us in our 20s, right? But my point is that we are adults. So now all we need is the strategy. I want you guys to put in the comments strategy. That's all we need is a strategy, a game plan. Tell me what to do, coach. Give me the play. I'm telling you guys, this is the play. So we talked about the basics, right? The basics are, at minimum, you should be at least swiping these cards at least twice a year. That's just to keep the card open. But even then, put a small bill on that credit card that you guys aren't using. Do not close these credit cards. Do not close these credit cards. We're going to talk about that. Do not close these credit cards. Listen, even if your credit card got an annual fee, unless you got a replacement. Now, can you close a credit? Now, if you got like 33 or 20 cards, even just 5 cards, 3 cards, can you close up an account? Yes, you can. Here's the catch. Y'all not replacing these credit cards. You'll close out XYZ credit card company, but you're not replacing them. You have to replace them. You can't. So here, I'll give an example. That's why this is why Open Sky came out with an unsecured credit card. They got tired of people giving $200, getting their credit scores, like you getting the credit card, getting their credit score up. Now they bougie, right? They started with Open Sky. Now they bougie. Now they got Capital One Platinum credit card paying for everybody drinks at dinner. Now they done got a Chase Sapphire card telling myself, hey, let's just grab a room. Weren't we here last night? Let's get another room anyway. Listen, all drinks owe me. Oh, you don't even know nobody in the bar. Yeah, but you done got your American Express card. Now you bougie, okay? So here's the deal. With the Open Sky credit card as an example, they said, listen, we losing money. We are losing money. People they get the credit card, they give us the security deposit, they improve their credit score, and then they ask for the $200 back. Listen, that's a whole other video. Some of y'all still ain't asked for y'all deposit back, but that's another video. But again, don't forget where you guys are. Now, it's okay to close that account out. It's okay to close out a First Premier. It's okay to close out some of these like entry-level credit cards, but where y'all messing up at, y'all not replacing them. Now, here's the issue. Now, I know some people say don't close out credit cards. The reason why they say that is because there's only one account. There's one account in the world. There's one account type in the world that will stay on your credit report as long as the bank survives. You know what that is? A credit card. Think about it. When you get a mortgage, no matter how much you love that house, the only way that mortgage is going to get paid more than 30 years is if you've been late or you keep refinancing, which is starting with another bank over and over and over, right? The only way you're going to stretch out an auto loan is if you do what? Is if you are late on the auto loan or you keep refinancing, right? The only way that you can stretch out any of these accounts is if you're late or if you keep refinancing. There's only one account type that sticks with you forever. Well, as long as the bank is alive, as long as the bank is around, and that's going to be credit cards, right? So, for example, some of you guys remember Service Merchandise. If y'all down south, Service Merchandise, Carson's. Some of you guys, Carson's. That's the Midwest. That's a Midwest thing, right? Those Sears credit cards, Kmart's. Listen, those credit cards died once the company died, right? But if you were with a strong financial institution, like a drive-by bank, right? It don't sound the best, but that's what I like to call a bank that you can drive by. So Bank of America, Chase, Fifth Third, PNC, all that jazz, right? Check this out. You have everything you need. I want you guys to understand something. Put that in the chat. I need. I have everything I need. You got everything you need to get where you need to go. Okay. This channel alone will help you get where you need to go. Now, there's plenty of other channels as well, too. But this needs in your own, because we talk to, y'all hear that? We talk to everybody. If you are a 300 credit score, I'm talking to you. If I'm talking to you. If you're a 700 credit score, get a little bougie. We see you. Yeah, I'm still talking to you. If you're an 850 credit score, you still can learn something from this channel. Again, I'm talking to every single person that's in different places within their credit card journey. And they're saying, listen, how can I continue to improve where I'm at? How can I continue to improve where I'm at? Guys, I'm here to give that to you. And the things that I don't know like that deep into, don't you worry. I got people coming. I got people that specialize in stuff. Ooh, man, listen, we bringing some heat, okay? We bringing some heat, okay? So y'all gonna get ready for all of this, all right? Let's go and jump back into the comments. We got a comment party up out here, all right? So now, Mike, what we got? By the time you buy breakfast at $30, that's 30% utilization. Well, close. That's 10% utilization, Mike. That's 10% now. That's 10%. But I get what you're saying. But Mike has a very good point. Mike is saying that, listen, these limits are so low, we can't even do much with them. We can't do much with that, right? So we got to grow. That's why I keep telling y'all to put growth in the comments. You got to manifest this stuff, right? We are done paying. This is the last year that you are paying high interest. This is the last year you get low limit credit cards. This is the last year that the dealership can't wait till you show up. They can't wait till you show up. The last time you showed up, they paid off their house. The last time, no, it wasn't that much money, but y'all get my point. The last time you showed up, they bought a new car. The last time you showed up, they bought a new suit. The last time that you showed up, they out there buying heels. The last time you showed up, they over here buying the drinks at the bar. They can't wait to see you. Here's the thing though. Now that you're watching this channel, that's the last time. That's the last time that they catch you slipping again. That's the last time you pay high interest. Somebody put last time inside of the comments. That's the last, it's gonna be the last time that you let these companies take advantage of you. See, we don't know what we don't know, but now here's the catch. Watch this. Now you know. Now you know at least these basic things, right? Because I love to keep things simple and basic. Don't worry, we got some advanced stuff coming. I just showed y'all. Me and Sean just showed y'all how you can buy a house with credit cards, right? Some of y'all ain't trying to do that. That's advanced credit card stuff. But I'm meeting you where you are. If you have no credit, I'm talking to you. If you're 18 years old, I'm talking to you. If you're under 30 years old, I'm talking to you. That's what. Listen, we have to start somewhere. This is the last time these banks high five when we leave. Some of y'all don't even know. Some of y'all don't even know what's going on. Y'all go to the dealership, you get the car, you leave off the lot. You like, man, I'm feeling good. Back whole time, as soon as you pull off, they're like, got them this time. This is the last time they do this to you. This is the last time. Because see, here's the thing. You don't know what you don't know, but now here's the catch. You ready? Now you know. Now you got to put action behind all of that. Let's get back to the comments. All right. For those who don't know, the original Mike Jones is in the house. That's what he say, and I'm going to go with it. Swisher House is in the house. All right, let's see what we got. All right, Reed, what you talking about? What if you got 10 personal and 10 business cards? That's not bad. I mean, it's all about management. It's all about management. See, some people that's just not getting credit cards, they're like, this guy got to be crazy. But no, as long as you guys can manage it, you guys are good. Let's see here. Sledge is a beast with it. Man, we're going to bring him back, man. We're going to bring him back. All right, let's see here. Aretha, what you talking about? Let's see here. What's the best first card to set my 18-year-old on? Ooh, see, here's the thing. I got a video coming up on if you're 18 to 24 years old, how to build credit. Because a lot of times we keep talking to like 20 plus year olds, 30-year-olds. Listen, it's a lot of that new younger generation. They're like, man, we need to know this stuff too. Like, we got you. I always say start off with a Capital One Platinum credit card. Capital One Platinum unsecured. And if they don't get approved for that, go secure. Okay, so listen, a Capital One secured card is better than a Credit One unsecured all day long. You know why? Because you can upgrade, because you got 5 authorized users, right? Because you're building a relationship with a stable company. See, Credit One, they got 2 things: credit cards and a stadium. That's it. But if you ain't near that stadium, you ain't doing no good anyway, right? I mean, you can't. It's not gonna benefit you. Is my point. right? But again, Capital One or Capital One secured. All right. So yes, it's all about strategy. Let's see here. All right, Michelle, what you got? What you got? So true, growth is the key. My first credit card was Credit One Bank, $300 credit limit. I just applied for PenFed. They approved me for 25K. Listen, listen, y'all better congratulate some people up in here today, right? Let's say congratulations, Michelle. Congratulations, Michelle. Listen, we love to celebrate people up in here today. See, ain't nobody jealous up in here today. You know why? Because we grow together. All of us, we not family, but listen, we are part of the club. Like when a DJ plays a song that everybody wants to hear, or a song that everybody knows. It's a catchy song, it's a fun song. It feels good to dance to, right? That's what this is. We may not feel, we may not be cousins and all the rest of that, right? But you are part of the club. So if Michelle is winning, then we are winning. If Michelle is winning, then we are winning. If Mike is winning, then we are winning. Everybody that's in here right now is winning. That's what it's all about, winning. It's all about being around winners. Here's what happens when you're not around winners. You already know what happens. You're around losers. And not losers like they did something bad. It's because they say, listen, they keep blaming everybody else. Don't be a blamer. Don't be a blamer. It is 2023. If you want to know something, you jump on YouTube, you jump on Google, right? Back in the day, we ain't got to go too far back. But listen, it wasn't long ago. They wasn't letting certain skin types read. They wouldn't, if you was black, they would not let you read. Okay. Times have changed. You're not applying this information, right? Congratulations, Michelle. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. See, Michelle probably learned that. Did you learn that from this channel, Michelle? Go ahead, tell the truth. And even if it ain't the truth, lie anyway and say, no, I'm kidding. Let us know, Michelle. Did you end up doing that because of that video? But we'll swing back around. All right. So now, is investing in credit repair a good idea? Here's the thing, guys. It's nothing wrong with credit repair. For those who don't know, we actually started out helping people. We actually started with just videos. Then we started helping people with their credit. And of course, now we have the advanced credit blueprint. We have the advanced credit blueprint and we have the YouTube membership. Okay. So here, if I were you, FA, I would say start with something cheaper. Start with something cheaper. Guys, y'all be paying too much for credit repair. Even people, there are some of my older clients in here, right? There are some of my older clients in here. They'll tell you it was amazing working with us. Okay. But again, we condensed all of that and we put that into our advanced credit blueprint. So start off as a YouTube member. Get some questions answered first. Because see, it doesn't, in my personal opinion, it doesn't make sense to pay $500 not to pay $200. Y'all listening? It doesn't make sense to pay $1,000 not to pay $600. It doesn't make sense. That's what some of y'all are doing. Y'all are paying $500 to $1,000 for somebody to tell you, don't pay them. That makes no sense. Some of you, here, I want you guys, y'all listen? I want you guys to write this down. Some of you all don't need credit repair. Some of y'all need to pay y'all bills. See, you're going to pay $1,000 for somebody to tell you to pay your bills. Now, don't get me wrong. There's some people most definitely need some assistance, some guidance, a game plan, a strategy to play, a coach. That's what I am, right? I can help you get to where you need to be, okay? I can help you get to where you need to be. You know how to finesse this? Let me show you how to finesse me. You get the advanced credit blueprint, and then you become a YouTube member. You get the advanced credit blueprint because that's going to show you everything you need to do in order to improve your credit score the right way. I got my entire process inside the advanced credit blueprint. But how do you maximize that? If you become a YouTube member, now you can ask all the questions you want. There's nobody on YouTube answering credit questions like me. I'm telling you, and not in a negative way, and not in an arrogant way. I don't want to come off like that because I know more than just credit. See, even if they know everything about credit, that's as far as they can take you. They can't show you. Listen, most of these people that y'all listening to, they have never accomplished the things you're looking to accomplish, right? I'm talking about the basic stuff, right? Getting a car, low interest rate, getting a house, low interest rate, right? Listen, I'm a licensed real estate agent, and I'm not bragging or boasting. I know real estate. I also sold cars for 6 years. And not only I wasn't just a car salesman sitting around. I sold over 550 cars in less than 4 years. I know the auto loan game. Okay. That's how you finesse. You get the advanced credit blueprint, right? That's $79. That's one time. And then you got the monthly YouTube membership, right? Any question you got, I'm walking you through it. Take advantage of it, guys. Take advantage. Right. Here come Troy. All right, here. Let's keep on going, guys. This is the last time, guys. This is the last time. Woodsy says, "Where's Sledge?" I know he know. Listen, he probably working. Listen, he busy. Okay, he doing some stuff. But listen, we gonna swing. We gonna bring most definitely bring him around. That's what I'm talking about, Anthony. This is the last time, guys. This is the last time. This is the last year. This is the last day, the last month, the last minute that you let these banks take advantage of you. Let me tell you something. The banks, don't get me wrong, they do want to make money off of you, but they gonna win either way. Unless you pay it cash, they gonna win either way. But here's what you got to understand: put yourself in a good position. Why do you think people are not fighting to go to these other countries? I'm not knocking other countries. They're not fighting. They're not risking their lives. They are people risk their life to come to America. Why do you think that is? It ain't just the jobs. People that are from different countries. Let me tell you something. You can have a business idea and say, "Hey, bank, here's my credit score. Here's my idea. This is my business plan. This is my business strategy." They will give you the money. And I'm going to show y'all too. I got a video coming up. Oh, man. Listen, just wait for this. It's coming. I promise you it's coming. But my point is that you live here now. Take advantage of this. Everything you want. Not crap, not drama, not BS, not that. I'm talking about where you can have monthly income coming in just from collecting rent. If you say, "Man, how can I buy a rental property?" You could just point to it. You know how they buy houses in Jamaica? It's cheaper to build a house in Jamaica. I know some of y'all. I seen some of y'all. Y'all ain't building no house. Some of y'all can't leave the house without Vaseline on your hands, right? So I've seen some. Listen, I've seen some of y'all brushing y'all hair right now. Some of y'all doing y'all makeup right now. Y'all not gonna build no house. My point is, you live in America where you say, "I want that one." Welcome to the American credit system. There's nothing like it. The closest is in Dubai, and then even in Dubai, you got to give 30 to 50% down. There's nothing like the American credit system if you use it properly, right? And I'm only putting people in front of you that's gonna show you how to use this thing properly. All right. So here, let's go. Listen, we're about to go and close out here. Let's see what we got. All right. So it took me 3 years and 2 to 3% utilization to increase. Thanks, fam. You are more than welcome, Michelle. You know, my bad. I did miss that. That comment, Michelle. You said that you learned a lot from here. So you most definitely can do that. And we honestly, we greatly appreciate you. We honestly greatly appreciate you for being here, Michelle. Honestly, all of you. All right. So now let's go into it. Mike over here laughing. All right, so here, check this out. Troy got a story. We got a member in the house. By the way, this is Troy. This is the guy that's in that video. I think this is either Troy or his brother. And because I don't know, because I can't see the face. But Troy, listen, this is the one that got 100 points. 100 points from the advanced credit blueprint. His credit score went up 100 points in less than 30 days with our advanced credit blueprint. Y'all asleep. Listen, y'all asleep. You better get on it. Y'all better get on it. Here, let's see what else we got. So Jason says, "Can I walk you through that? I'm trying to get a semi or two." Oh, Jason, get ready. Get ready. I got that on the list. Listen, I need to know what y'all trying to accomplish. Now you riled up. I need to know what are you guys trying to accomplish in the next 6 months, 12 months? Tell me. Your goals are safe with me. Your goals are safe. Listen, it's okay to dream here. It's okay to manifest here. What are you guys looking to accomplish so I know what to bring you guys the information on? Jason says he needs to learn how to get a semi truck the right way. I got you. I got people that know how to do that. I got people that specialize in that. I don't specialize in that. So I'm going to bring you guys people that specialize in that. See that? So you got to here's the thing. There's no ego over here. See, anytime you're the smartest person in the room, see, that's some of y'all problem right now. Y'all too busy trying to be the smartest person in the room. You can't grow like that. I'll say it again. You cannot grow like that. You cannot grow being the smartest person in the room. I'm not saying be the dumbest person in the room. I'm saying put yourself in a position where you can learn. See, that's the thing. Some of you all stop being students. Some of y'all, listen, y'all always trying to be the teacher. You always trying to walk into the room and tell everybody else they should be doing. No. Listen, you should be learning something. Don't get me wrong. You want to most definitely give, but it's a two-way street. You learn, then teach. You learn, then teach. But if you always teaching, it's like, oh, here come Mike trying to tell me how to live my life. Here come Michelle. She over here. She done got this $25,000 limit credit card. She over here trying to get drinks for everybody, right? Here she come, right? It's not like that. Your goals are safe here. Let's listen. We need it. y'all need to have a strategy. We need to have a game plan, okay? That's what we're here for. Listen, let me tell y'all something. So listen, now Cindy, let me tell y'all something about Cindy. Cindy, Cindy been asking a lot, not a lot of questions. I love when members ask questions. Honestly, y'all not asking enough questions. See, not a messed up. It's 70,000 subscribers here. First off, I appreciate that. But listen, y'all not asking enough questions. Don't be afraid. Y'all don't know these people. Most of these people want to help you. Most of these people that's in the comments right now can't, like, they want to know they want to know the answer to the same exact question too. They want to learn too, guys. Let's learn together. Let's learn together. Let's grow together. Let's put our goals in front of us. This is the year. And if it's not this year, if it's not enough time, it's cool. It's not too late. I want you guys to put in the comments, because let's start getting some excuses out the way. How old was Colonel Sanders when he started KFC? How old was Colonel Sanders when he started KFC? Anybody got that answer? Anybody got that answer? I'll give y'all 10 seconds. How old was Colonel Sanders when he started KFC? Because we're going to start getting some excuses out the way. I know how old he was. I know y'all probably Googling it. And I think it was 55. He was in his 50s, right? 67. Oh, I'm about to look this up, Adina. I'm over here saying 55. Adina said, look, Mike said 76. I'm done with y'all. He was up there, right? He was of age. My point is, it's not too late. Somebody put that in the comments. It's not too late. It's not too late. See, some of y'all thinking that, oh man, I done got this new job. I'm in my 30s. I'm in my 40s. I'm in my 50s. I'm in my 60s. It's not enough time for me. I just got a 65-year-old couple. They're both 65 years old. House. She says, Calvin, I don't know if this loan is going to outlive me, but I said, I am tired of paying rent. I've never owned a home. Thanks to you, I now can own a home. I'm changing lives, guys. And it's not just me. Y'all are part of that, right? Listen, Cindy said, so it ain't too late for me. No, it's not. It's not. Jason said, a couple semi-trucks. There you go. Now we talking, Jason. Now we talking. Okay? He said, that's why I just bought the 30 to 90 day joint. Oh, yeah, man. Listen, I can't wait to help you, man. And thanks for sending us that login, too. Now, don't forget, Jason, that's a home buying course. But I know what y'all gonna be doing. Y'all gonna be asking all different types of credit questions. Y'all better maximize that situation. Y'all better maximize it, because I love helping people. So I'm glad you guys are in there, okay? And Aaron said he lived to be 92 or 93. Do you recommend credit repair companies? Guys, so here's the thing. Here's the deal. It's nothing wrong with credit repair companies. But again, get my advanced credit blueprint. This ain't just stuff. Listen, first y'all need to download this ebook. Where's it at? Right there. Download this ebook right here. Download that ebook. Start there, right? And then here's the play. If you download the ebook, you get a coupon. I think you get a coupon for the advanced credit blueprint, right? And then when you buy the advanced credit blueprint, you can get the home buying course for $15. I'm trying to help y'all out, okay? Listen, you don't need credit repair. You need my advanced credit blueprint. The advanced credit blueprint, it shows you what you need to do to improve your credit score, and it comes with my dispute process. I'm gonna say that again. It shows, listen, some people is sending some people off. They calling, disputing all type of stuff. I'm not gonna say no names. I was watching some the other day. I'm like, wait, what? I'm not gonna go into it. But either way, advanced credit blueprint is all you need. Don't overthink this stuff. Don't overthink this stuff. Listen, let me tell y'all something. If you Google Park Place Realty or 850 Club Credit, you'll see how many people we done helped. If you type in success stories, you'll see how many people that I've helped. I'm telling you, I've done this. I do this. All you need is the advanced credit blueprint. Matter of fact, here, where's it at? I'm gonna put this up there. Hold on, because I ain't always trying to just sell y'all nothing, man. So here, I'm gonna put that right there. That should be it. We're gonna move that free ebook out the way. So listen, that's what y'all need right there. Scan that. Y'all need to scan that, okay? This is what y'all need. The advanced credit blueprint. That's all you need. Is there a link for it? Jason, do not buy this, Jason. Stop spending money. No. You already got what you need, bro. No. Now, if you want to throw something in the super chat, y'all can most definitely throw something in the super chat. But Jason, no. Do not spend no. You got what you need, bro. We're gonna be talking soon for the 90-day home buying challenge, sir. I will be answering your questions there. Do not buy this. I mean, you can if you want to, but not, I already gave you the game plan, sir. You are good, okay? Now, if you want to throw something in the super chat, you most definitely can, okay? But either way, no, bro, you good. Trust me, okay? All right, so either way, what else? All right, so here, I'm about to wrap up, guys. I'm about to wrap up. Let's see what we got. All right, so man, listen, Troy trying to tell y'all. Troy trying to tell y'all it's legit. Here, let me throw it back up there. My bad. Like, where's that? My bad. Listen, this is all y'all need, guys. This is cheaper than credit repair. This is $79. But listen, this ain't your cousin's do-it-yourself credit repair kit. That's not what this is. This is, listen, I put my heart and soul into this advanced credit blueprint. Okay? Listen, it took me years to even post this. You know why? Because I didn't want to give everything away. I didn't want to give everything away. Everything is in there. Everything is in there. I promise you, it's all you need. It's all you need. And if you need, here's the thing. You like, if you buy it and you say, man, Calvin, I need more than that. You need to become a YouTube member. Listen, we need to talk. I need to talk to y'all. I can't get your situation. I can't get your situation off of a couple comments. We need to have a conversation. Troy will tell you, Troy, we be having whole full-blown conversations. We chilling. He's like, yeah, hey, Cal, what you think about this? And it's chill. You know why? Because you're around serious people. See, some of y'all around starters. Some of y'all hang around too many starters. You know what a starter is? People that always start something. Not a fight. I'm somebody that say, oh, I'm finna go ahead and do this. I'm finna go ahead and do this. I'm finna start this. You know who you need to be around? Y'all ready? You need to be around finishers. Somebody put that in the comment. You need to be around finishers. People that finish things. Listen, we have our goals in front of us. If you are serious, listen, if you want to play about your goals, just keep flipping through the YouTube channels. You'll find a few channels. You ain't gonna do nothing with it. You're not gonna do anything. But if you are serious about your goals, become a YouTube member. That way you can put a plan in front of you. Guys, it ain't the $10. It's not the $10. I need to learn about your situation. Okay? I don't do one-on-one consultations anymore. It took too much of it took a lot of my time. A ton of my time. Like, listen, I'm not even gonna go into it. It was crazy. Listen, when I put my phone number on a YouTube video, Jesus, man, crazy. It's some old videos that got my phone number. Don't y'all be going back, because every year I get like 1 or 2 phone calls. It's crazy. And but either way, I was telling him, I just redirected. Man, is this Calvin? I'm not a celebrity. I'm a regular guy. Okay, I'm just a regular guy that just want to help people. Okay, but again, that's the advanced credit blueprint, guys. So here's the deal. We need to talk. We need to talk about your goals. If you're seriously trying to buy a house, if you're seriously trying to get rental property, if you're serious about improving your credit score, lowering your car payment, getting a high limit credit card, I can show you that. Everything else I can't show you, I'm going to bring guests to explain it. Okay? I promise you that. Okay? But we need to put your goals in. Your goals are safe here. Let's put a plan in place. It's month to month. You can cancel at any time. And it's $10. Y'all ain't, listen, I know y'all ain't struggling like that. And if you are struggling, we need to have a different type of conversation. Okay? Because I'm telling you, listen, your goals are important. Let's get that done. Let's get that done, guys. But either way, I'm gonna put that away. Y'all good? Listen, Mike better tell him. Mike better tell him. Look, Darlene. Now, Darlene been rocking with us for a minute. Listen, I be seeing some of y'all, because now YouTube kind of shows us how long people have been subscribing. So every now and then, I'm like, oh, that's pretty cool. They've been rocking with us for like years. Okay, shout out to Darlene. Listen, let's go and congratulate Darlene, and we are out of here. We are out of here, Darlene. Members, y'all got any other questions? Members, any questions? Members, y'all good? Members, y'all good? Troy, you good? Okay, Troy's good. Okay, any other members in the house? Y'all good? Okay. Okay, perfect. Y'all good? Okay, cool. All right, guys, we out of here. Hope y'all learned something today. Listen, like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We got a lot more on the way. I got so much stuff on the way. Y'all not ready. The channel's changing. All that nice Calvin stuff, them the old videos. We bringing heat now, because y'all need to be at a certain place. I was telling y'all how to buy a house when I was buying a house. Okay? Y'all still ain't got one yet. Not in a negative way. I'm just saying, like, let's get it done. You still paying high interest. I told you how to get out of that years ago. Listen, we got to put the right actions in place. I'm not the regular channel. The regular channel, they going to keep telling, listen, regular channels going to repeat the same stuff every single video or every 10 videos. Well, how to improve your credit score, and how to do this, and how to dispute that. Guys, we past that. We are past that. Okay? Get past that. It's about growth. It's about growth, guys. It's about growth. Listen, Take it from Troy. Troy says, listen, become a member. It's worth every penny. 100 points, less than 30 days. We not playing around here. We not playing. Guess who playing? You. It's time for you. It's time for you to put your goals back in front of you. Let's get a game plan going. Let's get a strategy. Let's have a conversation. Y'all be sending me emails. Y'all be putting stuff in the chat. Let's talk then. You say you want to talk? Become a member. You want to talk? Let's become. That's why I made that. I'm not doing it just to say I got members. I don't care about that. I'm saying let's talk. It's group session. It's group session. Let's get to it, guys. All right. So either way, I got to roll. We'll see you guys in the video. Oh man, y'all not ready for the stuff tomorrow. A hot video dropping tomorrow. Another hot video dropping on Thursday. Right. And listen, I had to slow some stuff down. So you know what? I don't want to overload y'all. But listen, it's some heat dropping this week. And then we got some heat dropping next week. And then listen, and everybody that's in my 90-day home buying challenge, hope y'all packing y'all bags. Hope y'all got y'all U-Haul schedule. Hope y'all already told the landlord what's going to go down because it's going down. I'll see you guys in the next video.